HAUYE1201 produces an ambient temperature curing high-grade rubber with a shore, A hardness of 70-75. Fast curing, best results in 5-10 minutes. The product exhibits excellent flexibility combined with good tear strength and abrasion resistance. Application of the conveyor belt repair. HAUYE1201. Our rubber belt repair, HAUYE1201, is formulated for applications on vertical or horizontal surfaces for on-the-spot conveyor belt repair. It is perfect for repairing longitudinal cuts, holes, tears, splits, cracks, sealing joints, preventing spillage, covering metallic fasteners in steel cord conveyor belts and AMPAL fabric conveyor belts, and for other miscellaneous rubber repairs. Benefits of using a conveyor belt repair. HAUYE1201. Using a conveyor belt repair, HAUYE1201 has numerous benefits. Firstly, it can save you a lot of time and money compared to replacing the entire conveyor belt. Secondly, it allows for quick and easy repairs that can be done on site without having to send the belt out for repairs. This means less downtime for your operations and increased productivity. Additionally, using a HAUYE1201 repair can extend the lifespan of your conveyor belt by fixing minor damages before they turn into major issues.